Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can save and use filter or effect from other people's video on TikTok application. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can search for a filter or effect that we want to use. And here I'm just going to search for the aged filter or aged effect, and these are some results. These are some videos using the effect, and I'm going to select one of them. I'm going to select this one, and after that we just need to click on the effect right here, or the filter. And if you want to use this effect, we just need to click on use this effect. Or if you want to add this effect to our favorites, we just need to click on add to favorites. And I'm going to add it to my favorites so I can use this folder or this effect anytime. And if you want to see the saved folder or the saved effect, we just need to go to our profile, and we can go to the section. Okay, and you're going to click on effect, and this is the aged effect that I have just saved to my favorites. Alright guys, and that's how we can use and save effect from other people's video on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.